Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to test something I kept seeing online, a viral hack method that supposedly gives unlimited gold in King's Choice directly from your phone. No computer, no rooting, no complicated setup. I tried it myself and it actually worked, so here's what happened when I tested it. First, the tool asks for player ID. You can find that easily in your profile or settings. I copied mine and kept it ready. Simple start, takes a few seconds. Next, I opened my browser in my case, Chrome, but Safari works too, and went to the generator website. I searched for King's Choice and selected the Unlimited Gold Generator option. The site loaded fine on mobile, no redirects or weird pop-ups, which was a good sign. Once on the page, I chose my platform. In my case, it's Android, but it also works on iOS, and pasted in my player ID. After double-checking everything, I tapped Proceed. The tool started connecting to my account and showed a short loading process. Looked simple and worked without issues. Then came the fun part, choosing the amount of gold. So I went for a decent amount to test how it performs. After hitting Proceed, it began processing the request, showing progress bars and server sync messages. Before finishing, the tool required a quick verification step, basically downloading and opening a free app for a short time. It only took about a minute, and once I completed it, I went back to check the generator page. It confirmed everything was done and told me to open the game to verify the results. When I reopened King's Choice, the extra gold was already in my account. No delays, no errors, it worked exactly as described. So, from my test, the process actually delivered the resources and everything ran smoothly. Overall, this method worked for me, fast, simple, and completely on mobile. As always, make sure to follow the steps carefully and only use trusted sources when doing verifications. If you found this review helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more honest tests like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.